Two main issues arise when you're looking to install a power supply into a computer system. The first is what we just mentioned. It needs to provide ample wattage to power all the components. You configure the wattage by multiplying the voltage by the current used by a particular device. Some devices will actually have the wattage requirements listed on them, but the formula is like this. If a device uses 5 amps of 3.3 volts and 7 amps of 20 volts, and then it would use a total of 25 watts. But as I said, most will be labeled. You probably don't have to do the conversion, and I wouldn't worry about the conversion for the exam. The power supply must also provide the correct type of connectors. So I'm looking in saying, number one, is it powerful enough? Number two, does it have the connectors that I need? Let's say I got an old power supply, and this is not going to be overly meaningful to you right now, but that they has the old Molex connectors. Molex connectors are for your old magnetic hard drives like IDE, EIDE, UDMA. What if it has those and I only have SATA drives? Well, then that's not going to work, right? I'm at the very least going to need to get an adapter. So you have to make sure that it supports the drives. And then the other specific thing is the connection that it has to the motherboard. Okay? Because the connection to the motherboard has varied. At one time it was only a 20 pin, then it was a 24 pin, then it was a 24 pin plus another 4-pin connector over by the CPU. And so there's been an evolution into those connectors. So you always have to make sure that it's got the right type of connectors.